Hey guys, Alyssa here with Off Leash Canine Training. Here we have Leo, a 5-month-old Rottweiler. On day 1 of training, Leo did know a few basic commands. He knew sit and down. However, you did have to ask him a few times before he actually did it, especially while out in public. Leo was a very stubborn dog, had a mind of his own, liked to talk back when he didn't want to do something or if he didn't get his way. He wasn't horrible walking on leash, but if he did see kids running around or dogs running around, he did get excited, and that's when he would start to pull on the leash. Now that you've seen Leo on day 1, check him out after 14 days.